How to add transitions between two pages in a presentation in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a transition between two pages in your Canva design. So as here you can see that I have opened this Canva design, which is actually a 16:9 presentation, and in this presentation I currently have this single page. So in order to add another page, what I can do is simply click onto this add page button at the bottom, and once I will do this, you can see that I have these two particular pages right here. And now to demonstrate, I will be adding some elements into these two pages so that the transitions are better visible to you. So let me quickly go to the elements tab and add some elements. So for example, let's say this particular photo right here, and then moving on to the second page, I'm gonna add another photo. Let's say this one. And also I'm gonna add this photo as well, just to make it a little more different than the first one. And now here you can see that we have these two pages. This is the first page and this is the second page. So if I will present it right now without adding any transitions, so I can click onto this present button right here, and here you can see this is the second page and this is the first page. And if I am switching between the first and the second page, you can see that there are no transitions present. So let me show you how you can change this. So let me quickly exit the preview, and then in order to add transition between the pages, I need to move my cursor between the pages, and you can see a new hidden feature has revealed. So here are two options. The first is add page button, using which I can add a page between these two pages, and the below option is to add transition. So simply click onto this add transition button, and from here you can see a number of transitions which you can apply. So in order to view the preview, you can hover your cursor over to them and you can view the preview which is available right here. So you can use any of these transitions that you please, and once you will do that, you need to simply click onto that particular transition. So for example, let me choose this color wipe transition, and once I have done this, I can simply close it if I want, and then I will present it to you guys again. So let me click onto this present option right here, and now as you can see, currently we are in the first page, and if I click onto the arrow button to move on to the second page, you can see that the transition has successfully appeared. So let me do it again. Here I am in the first page, and here you can see that when I switch to second page, the transition appeared successfully. So that's how easily you can apply a transition in your Canva design. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.